In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on revenue recognition in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that work with subscription-based models or long-term projects where revenue isn't recognized immediately. So let's dive in step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online Advanced account. Open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to select QuickBooks Online from the options. It keeps things seamless to always ensure you're on the right version of QuickBooks, given that Intuit offers different products. Now, it's time to enter your login credentials. Make sure to type in your registered email and password accurately, and then click Continue. If you have two-step verification enabled, have your phone handy to enter the authentication code. This extra step ensures your account remains secure. Once logged in, direct your attention to the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it for a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, you will select Company Settings. This section is where all the core details of your business configuration reside, and it promotes efficient business processes by streamlining your financial operations. Next, navigate to the Sales tab within your company settings. Clicking on Sales opens a comprehensive menu of options that help you manage everything related to selling products and services in your business. This is where you'll make sure your books accurately reflect your ongoing sales efforts. Now, click on the Products and Services link. This page provides you with an overview and customization options for the goods and services you offer. It's the backbone of your product catalog in QuickBooks and crucial for revenue tracking. Being familiar with this section can immensely help in organizing your business's financial activities. The next step is crucial. Look for the revenue recognition toggle and switch it on. Revenue recognition is all about accounting for your income in a way that aligns with when your services are delivered or when a customer's rights to your services are entailed. It's particularly crucial for companies that offer long-term contracts or subscriptions, as it ensures your revenue reports depict an accurate picture over time. Finally, don't forget to click on Save to secure the changes you've just made. This is a simple but crucial step, as it ensures that your new revenue recognition settings are stored in the system and ready to be applied to your accounting processes. And there you have it, you've just successfully turned on revenue recognition in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This feature is a powerful tool to have on your side to keep your financial reporting precise and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for more detailed explanations. Until next time, keep your books balanced and your business thriving.